I was fairly aware of everything, all the details about Vastu because I have been interested in Vastu. I was quite apprehensive before joining the class because of my years of reading about Vastu. I was just thinking that maybe all in the class would be what I already know. But trust me, as I say this, that it was an amazing experience for me, eye-opening experience for me. The knowledge that was given and the validation that was given was so amazing that even uh, after all the knowledge I had, I did not. I would say blink an eye. I was so involved, so interested, so intrigued by the knowledge that was shared. It was amazing how much information was packed into this 4 day class. Like just, I think, 5 hours each approximately. And the information was worth hours and hours of, it would have um, compiled into a thick, fat book, the amount of information that was shared. And the other thing I felt after the class was this is one online payment in today's era of online shopping. This one online payment I made, I got much, much more than I bargained for. Otherwise, whenever we shop, we get a little disappointed when we get what we ordered for. But here, I got much more than I had bargained for. It was amazing to be in the class, to get all the information. My hand didn't stop, my mind didn't stop. I went on jotting, taking notes. So it was really wonderful to know the remedies and get the knowledge and get the false, whatever I had gathered false information, get them removed with a very, very valid reasons behind them. I'm not feeling overwhelmed with the newly found Vastu doshas of my house, rather than I'm feeling very encouraged to start doing all the treatments that I have learned over here. And I'm truly grateful to God and to you both, Ruchi and Sanju sir, that I have done this class and got all the information. You are truly amazing, and it is the biggest good luck of my life that I got associated with IWC. Every class I have done with you, I have found it amazing and wonderful, and much more worth every rupee I have spent on this. So I don't think there's any class ever I would like to miss. Thank you so much.